VAT qualifying, all-wheel drive, 170 brake horsepower, 2-litre diesel automatic is exactly what this Ford Transit Custom MSRT is. Now, it's a 5-seater, done only 12,000 miles, on a 74 registration, finished in magnetic grey. Now, they are hands down the most sought-after custom, the sought-after van that you can get is the MSRT. Now, it's a factory MSRT, and what I mean by that is this is how it left the factory, barring the pod lights and the grille lights you see. So the splitter, the wheels, the side skirts, the spoiler is all from MSRT. Now, whenever we get one of these in, they sell incredibly fast, but when you get one like this that's all-wheel drive, 5 seats, and the 170, it means you've got yourself one cracking van. The colour, I love magnetic grey, and it's probably the best to keep. It's not as dark as black, not as light as the other colours, but it's a good colour. 19-inch wheels, specific for MSRTs, multi-spokes, you've got the nice edges, and then obviously you have the blue brake calipers to the side. Now, some good features, or incredible features from the factory actually. Dual access doors, which can be controlled from the key. Electric sliding, which is the ones that you would want. 3 seats across the centre there, so plenty of space. Now, for me, this will appeal to someone who has a VAT registered business, but needs a vehicle that can carry people, family, passengers, but then they want something that's a little bit special, well, very special in fact. So 2-litre diesel 174 wheel drive, for me, is the configuration that you would want. 5 seats would work perfect for me because I've got a family, and then when you get to the back, you've got plenty of load space. Now, taking the details that you get from an MSRT, huge rear spoiler, rear lights are changed, full rear diffuser. It comes with the rear liftgate, giving you one solid door opposed to the 2. Have a look at the condition and the layout. So it's been rubber lined, obviously walls are carpet lined, so you can see it's literally had nothing in the back of there, literally nothing. It's been used as a car, nowhere near for the amount of things that it could be used for. So it's a very, very good looking van. Obviously the doors work on this side as well, so you've got the electric sliding from the key, you can do it from the handle if you wish. Specific MSRT interior, so you've got half leather, Alcantara blue stitching, which matches that of the brake calipers. That then continues to the front. Have a look at the shape of the driver and the passenger seat. So an incredible van, these. Incredible. And I'm going to keep saying the phrase factory MSRT because you see a lot of companies now which will do aftermarket kits, and to be honest, they're not bad. They aren't bad, but they're never going to be what this is. So it's got everything that you want, all done by Ford, and this is how it will have left. 12,000 miles on, VAT qualifying. The diesel engine is the one I would go for because one, it's going to give you the 170, it's going to give you better fuel economy, and you get that all-wheel drive option as well. Traffic sign recognition, lane keep assist, usual bits you'd expect to see in your digital dash. MSRT specific wheel, it's far chunkier. You've also got the blue at the 12 o'clock signal there, so just giving you that idea of what it is. If I pop it into reverse, rear view camera, front and rear sensors, you then get features on this huge tablet here like heated seats, heated wheel, all your climate control, your Apple CarPlay or Android comes up on there as well, so you can use whatever you want, your Apple Music, your media, your Spotify, navigation, all comes up on that section there. You've got 2 captain chairs to the front. It's probably easier if you have a look at the passenger ones from me being sat in here, so armchair there, plenty of space, rear passengers, for everyone. They're an incredible, incredible van. 2 different glove boxes, top, bottom, one for your paperwork, one might be for your charging cables, whatever it is if you're going on long journeys, but wireless charger down the bottom. Just a very, very special van. Now, they aren't easy to get out of a Ford dealer. I don't want to use the word impossible, but they're very, very difficult to go and get a van, an MSRT, with this configuration of seats, the all-wheel drive scenario. Those lights have been installed. You don't have to use them, but they're there if it's the sort of thing that you need. You've also got the pod lights which work from the fob as well. So very special van. To repeat, all-wheel drive, 5-seat, VAT qualifying, 170 diesel auto. Very, 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 very good. So if you are in the market, this one is going live. Any questions about how you can buy it through different finance packages that we offer? You may have a vehicle you want to part exchange into me, or you might just want to buy it outright. If you want to do any of those, pick up the phone, give me a call on my mobile number, and I look forward to speaking to you.